I think it's gonna work. I was shuffling around, like moving around in this chair, and one day I heard a crack, and one of these, I thought one of these wood legs cracked, but I think it was actually here that a piece of wood cracked. It's like indented here, and it's flat in the other places. And then so I was at a hardware store today and saw these, and they had like all kinds of different sizes, and some that didn't swivel like this, they just rolled like that. But I definitely took my time, make sure I got the swivelers, and they had different sizes, and I think I got the right size. So, and then I thought that these were just like permanently attached here somehow, but they're screwed in. So I took the screws out, and then it just turns out that more or less, not exactly, but more or less, the holes manufactured into here line up here. A little bit off, but the original screws, I was able to put them in here, so it's stable pretty much. And then I was planning on just gluing these wheels on super glue, but screwing in is better to the original screw holes. And yeah, I'm about to try it out. So turn this chair from a pretty well stationary chair to a rolling chair. That's my little project right now.